Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. I think today I'm going to film some sort of a day in the life. Me and my daughter Luna, we're going on our 23rd day of self-isolation. She's a little hard to entertain because it's really hard to keep her attention. I mean, 1-year-olds are bouncing all over the place. She's learned how to walk and stuff now, so she's just zooming all around the house, and I'm just chasing her around and trying to keep her occupied for 12 hours a day. So there's a few things that I'd like to get done around the house today. There's some baseboards that I want to get really clean because we're soon going to be painting, because this lovely orange yellow, I think it's called apple crisp color, is just like driving me insane. It matches too well with the floors, and everything in here is just too orange. So I've been choosing paint colors. We tried one last night and it was actually, I wanted something that's like gray with a little hint of blue underneath it to go with our floors. But when we got the paint, we put it on a small part of the wall and it turned out to be just white. And I just can't have white walls. I don't know, I need color. Let me just show you guys real quick what it looks like. So this was the tester wall, and as you can see, instead of the yellow matching the floor, now the white just matches the ceiling, and it'll match the baseboard way too much too. So I don't know, I need to go something a little darker. I was choosing the first color on the paint strips. I would always choose the top color because I didn't want it to be too dark. And my husband kept telling me that once it dries on the wall, it's going to be darker than it looks. So I went with the very top color, but it's just too white. So I'm going to go down one, and then I will update you guys as that progresses along. My husband's still working, so I got to catch him in the evenings when he gets home. Yep, so I'm going to get some baseboards done. I'll show you what Luna's up to today. I would like to get in a workout. I'm starting one of those challenges. Hopefully I can make it through 30 days. I tried before and I think I made it to like day 15 and then I fell off the wagon. So I'm going to try again. And so follow along today and let me know what you think of this day in the life. I don't know about you guys, but my day always starts with a load of laundry. Let me know down in the comments below if this is how your days begin too. Is laundry like not the most never-ending task of your entire life? It definitely is of mine. How much laundry I do, there's always a load in the dryer and always a load in the washer.
I've been making that tortilla pizza, but I thought I would make some fajitas tonight.
Are you reading?
Tortillas. So while dinner is cooking, I thought it would be nice.
So my Good Food delivery just came. It's one of those meal service companies. So every week they send me 4 meals for 4 people so we can have lunches as well. And I'm going to take them all out of the box and I'm going to wipe down all the individual packages with Lysol wipes. I'm just making sure to wipe down the outside of the bag as well as the bottom of the bag really well, and also in the handle part where somebody would have touched it to put inside the box. And then I'm making sure that I leave them wet so that they have time to disinfect as they air dry. That's the only way to disinfect with Lysol wipes. I'm making sure to wipe down my surface after, and then give my hands a good 20-second hand wash after I'm done with all of that. I'm just about to bring Luna her lunch. For lunch, she's having whole wheat toast with Laughing Cow cheese on it, and it's the urban garlic cheese. And then she's having some veggie straws with spicy hummus on it, and then I shredded some apples for her as well. Приятно. She always goes for what she likes the best on the plate. Usually it's the cheese. I'm just having some leftovers from a few nights ago. It's like a spicy pork ramen with bell peppers. Luna's a year old. She just turned a year like 2 weeks ago, actually to the day. And for the last month or so, she's been like pretty hard to put down for her second nap. She's a good sleeper, but just over the last month, I've been kind of like waning back and forth if I should get rid of her second nap or not. I've gone in twice. She's trying to nap right now, and I can tell that she's tired. So that's why I wanted to put her down after she ate lunch. But I've gone in 2 times now to rock her and like lie her back down because she's standing on the side of her crib and she's just jumping up and down right now. But she doesn't seem to want to be going down, so I think I'm just gonna go get her and then maybe put her down for bed earlier tonight. This is the aftermath of Luna's lunch. As you can see, she ate everything. I gave her lunch before I tried to put her down for that nap, and obviously she wasn't napping. She ate about a quarter of her lunch before I put her down, and then after trying to put her down 2 other times, I just let her come out and she ate the rest of her lunch. So that's a big win for me. So this stone white is the color that I chose that we tested out last night on the wall. It's just too white. Definitely too white. I was gonna go with the white water next, but then I thought that one might be a little too gray. And then I was like, okay, let's try the Seattle gray, but again, it's at the top of the paint chip, and I think all of the ones at the top are just gonna look white. So I finally decided I'm gonna go with this iced slate, and these colors are by Benjamin Moore. How sweet is she?
Obviously.
She's so old, she just sleeps all day, poor thing. So this is the before of my baseboards. I don't know why, but there's this like black ring over the top of them. I'm gonna get them real clean now though. here is the after. I haven't cleaned my baseboards since we probably put them in 10 years ago. Don't judge me, but they did come out super sparkly clean, and I'm really happy with the progress. So I've had this balloon arch up since Luna's birthday on March 21st, and it's just been kicking around my house. I was hoping that the balloons would just die on their own, but they haven't. And I'm so scared of the sound that they make when I pop them. So I tried cutting them all with a pair of scissors right at the point here where it ties, and they were still popping on me. So I decided I'll just take them into my room and I'll get a pin and I'm just gonna pop them like crazy. I'm gonna use a pin this time. Oh gosh. Nailed it. And this looks like where balloons go to die. So I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life vlog. If you did, let me know in the comments down below if you'd like me to make more of them. Don't forget to like this video by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and I will catch up with you guys next week in a new video. Bye!